Hi guys, I'm Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center. I am going to show you how I take off the extra leaves off my tomato plants, and I do this so there's extra airflow through the plants, as that is very important for pretty much all plants anyways. It helps to reduce the chances of disease and other things going through the plant, and for tomatoes and anything else that produces fruit, it helps the sun get in there to help ripen the fruits. So you can see here behind me, here I'll flip it around. So you didn't see all my pruning. My camera keeps shutting off. I'm not sure why it keeps shutting off. So I'm just going to show you what I've done and explain it instead of showing you. Here, so that's what I've pruned. Okay, that keeps all the leaves off the bottom, lots of airflow, and that's what I have to still, well, you don't take them all off anyways, but that's what I've left, because you still need leaves on your plants. So these are indeterminate tomatoes. So indeterminate, you'll get inside the crook of the leaves, where the leaves join the stem, you'll get another little, a stem will grow out of there, and that will produce tomatoes. So you don't want all of them doing that, just the plant will get way too big, unruly, be too heavy once it's producing. So what you have to do is you're going to take some of those off. So what I was doing was I was just taking these leaves off, and then some of them I was taking these off. Now some could still be on. I think I did get most of them off down there, but as you see, because the plant is so thick, I have left some on. So that is why you prune back your tomatoes, for airflow. For indeterminate tomatoes, you're taking the leaf off, and or you're taking the little sucker off in the inside so it doesn't produce another branch out of here. You can leave, I always like to leave 4 or 5 main ones. Some people leave less, some people leave more, whatever you want. But that is how and why I prune the tomatoes. Just taking leaves off. So again, you're just taking, you're just taking these stems off to the main stalk. I cut just a little bit in front just to not damage the main stalk. And you're going to prune it a little sucker, just so you have a few of them coming up, not all of them. See you guys next.